Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel Study per Square Centimeter. In the 7th video of the 30 Days of VASD series, we're gonna do some sentence correction questions. So let's begin. So when a sentence correction question comes in exam, it comes this way: that choose the answer option that corrects any errors observed in the underlying fragment. So the correct way of solving these questions is that you first identify the error and you correct it with your own knowledge without seeing the options. Because once you've corrected in your own head, now you won't be confused by the options. So now let's see the first question. Let's read the sentence. Though all competitive exams do not allow using a calculator, but where they are permitted, there are restrictions on the models allowed. So here the sentence is starting with though and it is connected with but. But the problem here is we cannot use though and but in the same sentence. It completely negates the meaning of the sentence. So we have to look for an option which does not start with though. So now look at the options. Though all competitive exams do not allow using calculators. So this is incorrect since it is starting with though. Not all competitive exams allow the use of a calculator. This is the correct option, but let's still see the next option. Every competitive exam does not allow using of calculators. Now, using of calculators is grammatically incorrect. You can either write use of a calculator or using calculators. So this is incorrect, and we have seen that we need to correct the sentence. The sentence needs correction. So this is also incorrect, and the option that is correct is second option. Now coming to the next question, let's read the sentence. Renouncing it as anti-democratic, the Lobbying Act was slammed by critics, imposing draconian limits on the activities of trade unions. Now denouncing it as anti-democratic, we are starting the sentence with a verb, and now we need a noun, that someone who is doing this, someone who is denouncing it. So now we need a noun which is critics. Critics are doing it, critics are denouncing it as anti-democratic, और we can say that इसको anti-democratic denounce करते हुए critics ने कुछ ऐसा ऐसा कहा, कुछ ऐसा ऐसा किया. So अब इसको देखते हुए let's see the options. The Lobbying Act, which imposes the draconian limits on the activities of trade unions, was slammed by critics. So this is incorrect. As we have seen earlier, we need a noun in the first part of the sentence, that denouncing it as anti-democratic, critics did something. So let's see the second option. Critics slammed the Lobbying Act, imposing draconian limits on the activities of trade unions. So till here, till the Lobbying Act, this part of the sentence is correct. But after it, it is denoting that critics are imposing draconian limits. While this is not the meaning of the sentence is saying that the Lobbying Act was imposing draconian limits. So this is also incorrect. Critics slammed the Lobbying Act, which imposes draconian limits on the activities of trade unions. So this is our correct option, option 3. अब हम आते हैं थर्ड क्वेश्चन पे. One of the problems that occur as a result of coal mining is the increasing incidences of lung cancer. So while solving this question or this type of sentences, what we have to do, we have to look for subject verb agreement. What I mean by subject verb agreement is that you have to look for a subject and you have to see that the verb and the subject are both either in singular or both are in plural. For example, the subject here, problems, has the verb occur with it. Now problems and occur are agreeing with it, agreeing with each other. They both are following the plural form of the subject verb agreement. Now let's see the other subject. One of the problem, it is singular, and the verb connected to it is the increasing incidences. No, this is also correct, but the part which is incorrect is increasing incidences of lung cancer. The word incidences. Increasing incidences is denoting the frequency of something. Now lung cancer is only singular, so we will write incidence in it. Now after seeing all this, now let's see the options. Let's come to the first option, that occurs as a result of coal mining are the increasing incidences. Now, both the subject verb agreement, both the parts of it are wrong. We have to write occurs here and we have to write is here, which was correct in the original sentence, but it is not correct here. So this is incorrect. That occurs as a result of coal mining is the increasing incidence. Now, here it is occurs, which is incorrect. That occur as a result of coal mining are the increasing incidences. Again, not following the subject verb agreement. Incorrect. Now let's come to the fourth option. That occur as a result of coal mining is the increasing incidence. This is the correct option. We have to mark it correct. अब हम आते हैं fourth question पे. Reared in a village where computers and the internet are objects of curiosity, Perty today hardly gives a thought to the immense possibilities that the internet revolution has thrown upon him. So from here we are talking about the present tense, that Perty today hardly gives a thought. But before this we are talking about the past tense. Reared in a village where computers and the internet are objects of curiosity. And since we're talking about the past tense, we cannot use are here. We have to write were, because the whole sentence should be in the past tense. Now let's see the options. Reared in a village where computers and the internet were objects of curiosity. The first option itself is the correct option, but let's still see the other option. Curious to know that computers and the internet were objects of curiosity in the village he was reared up. Incorrect. Being reared in the village where computers and the internet are objects of curiosity are, it is present tense, but we have to write the sentence in past tense, so this is incorrect. Reared in a village where computers and the internet were an object of curiousness. Now here were is correct, but it is written that an object of curiousness, whereas were is used for plural. So if it was were object of curiousness, were objects of curiousness, it would have been correct. But since it is written that were an object of curiousness, it is incorrect, and the correct option is the first option. Now let's come to the fifth question. The solution that he worked out was not only correct but complicated. Now, not only here denotes that something positive is happening after correct. Correct is a positive word and complicated is a negative. And not only denotes that the word is either both positive or both negative. So we can't use not only here. So let's see the options. Was not only correct but also complicated. This is incorrect, as we have seen earlier also. Was incorrect but complicated. This is correct, but let's still see the other option. Was correct only but complicated. Incorrect. No correction required. We know that the sentence requires correction. This is also incorrect, and option T2 is going to be our answer. So by this we come to the end of our today's video. Thank you for watching our video. I hope this was helpful to you. Best of luck.